Yes, good morning.
Yes, morning. How are you?
Good. My name is Daniel.
Yes.
I'm calling you from Lamo.
Yes, Mr. Daniel.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm Lamo.
Lamo is still cool.
That is good.
Yeah. I've called you in respective of the call you made yesterday. You said we should watch the video which was circulating yesterday online, and you need someone called Kajik from Palavek to be identified if he's among those people.
Yes.
We were able to analyze the video.
Yes, sir.
We have realized that he was among those people. What should we do?
Okay, let me discuss with General Otema, then I'll get back to you.
With General Otema?
Yes.
Okay. You are who?
I'm his lawyer, but also I'm among the team appointed by the president for verification of the Balaalo and the land owner.
Verification of Balaalo and the land owner.
Yes.
You are the lawyer to General Otema?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I got about that concern yesterday.
Yes.
I think it's good enough that you are a lawyer yourself.
Yes.
But I can now tell you that the one you are talking to, it is the very Kajik you are looking for.
Okay.
Since you have that interest, you better go and tell General Otema that in the video of yesterday, Kajik was also inclusive, and you should prepare, you come and then you kill Kajik immediately.